Alright, it's recording now. There's the car. That's what we're gonna fuck up. Where's the shit we're gonna light on fire with? Oh, right there. Hey, Ryan. Mr. Shook. There's the car we're gonna hit this thing with.
Can you see a car hitting that thing, dude?
Hope this ends up like that video Fire Melon.
We're not all wearing this shit.
Get a million hits. Oh yeah. Welcome to the University of Florida. What we do for fun here. Yeah, dude.
No, drive it down the road. Go down that way. Go down there, turn around. Don't turn your music on. I'll whistle for you to start.
A little bit. It's like a little black dot.
How about now?
Yeah, you can see it. You just turning around now?
Yeah.
How are y'all gonna time this right? Oh, I can see it now. Oh, fuck. You should dump it over the whole car. Oh, well, I guess that works. Oh, shit. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, no. Oh, it's fucked. It's still on fire. Oh, what the fuck?
You're almost going! You're almost going!
Is it still working?
No.
Oh, shit. That thing is fried.
She's dead. She's gone. What? Do it again. Do it again. Corvette's gone.
It's right under you.
Oh. There goes the Corvette. Final days of glory are over.
Think it'll drive now? Oh no! Oh fuck, there's a wheel. Oh, that thing.
Check out that rim, that other rim, dude. Thing's so sick.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, we got
Spinners,
the rubber,
right?
dude.
Spinners.
We got the fucking road. The rubber that backs up the road. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, you fucking destroyed this thing.
Pieces throw it in the fucking track. Yeah, we did actually with the other tire.
Yeah, that's kind of funny.